Hello students, so today we are going to solve exercise 4.2 from the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas. So first question we have, clarify the following curves as number 1 open और number 2 close curve. So हमारे पास कुछ figures दिए हैं यहाँ पे, हमें इनको observe करना है और देखना है कौन सा figure close curve है और कौन सा open curve है. So first one we have A, which is a Z-shaped figure. Okay, so as we know, a curve is said to be closed if its endpoints are joined. Okay, so हम यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं इसके endpoints join नहीं हो रहे आपस में. That means this is an open curve. So this is open curve. B part we have, we cannot see any endpoint or starting point. That means somewhere there is a starting point and endpoint are joined. That means this is a closed curve. So closed curve. Now C part we can see the endpoint and starting point are different. That means this is open curve. D part we can see that this is a closed curve. And last E part we have, this is also a closed curve because we cannot determine any endpoint and starting point. So this is closed curve. Okay. Now question number 2 we have, draw rough diagram to illustrate the following. ओपन कर्व, नंबर 2 क्लोज कर्व. सो हमें इनके लिए एक ओपन कर्व और एक क्लोज कर्व के लिए डायग्राम बनाने हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ओपन कर्व के लिए कैसे डायग्राम बनाएंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर एंड मेक अ सर्कल लाइक दिस. सो वी हैव क्रिएटेड हियर एन ओपन कर्व वेयर देयर इज अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड एन एंड पॉइंट. ओके, and they are not joined at all. Now B part, closed curve. So closed curve we know that endpoint and starting point are joined, so we can make any closed curve like this. Okay, so this is a kind of closed curve. Now let's come to the question number 3. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. हमें एक पॉलीगन ड्रॉ करना है और उसके इंटीरियर यानी कि अंदर के पार्ट को शेड करना है. सो लेट्स ड्रॉ. सो आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर अ पॉलीगन विथ 4 साइड्स. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू शेड द इंटीरियर पार्ट. सो व्हाट विल वी डू, वी विल शेड द पार्ट दैट इज इनसाइड दिस पॉलीगन. So this is kind of interior shaded part of this polygon. Okay, so you can draw any polygon like polygon with 4 side, polygon with 3 side, polygon with 5 side and so on. Okay, question number 4 we have, consider the given picture and answer the questions. So we have given this picture. Okay, this is a star like shape. Now we have given questions, is it a curve? So we have asked that is this star like shape is a curve. So it is a curve because it fits in the definition of curve because it is drawn without lifting a pencil. Okay, so this is curve. Now the answer is yes, it is a curve. B part we have, is it closed? So can we say it is a closed curve? So yes, it is a closed curve because the end point and starting points are cannot be differentiated. That's why this is a closed curve. So this is yes, it is a closed curve. Okay, question number 5 we have, illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. So A part we have a closed curve that is not a polygon. So we have to draw a diagram of a closed curve that is not a polygon. So polygon की definition आप लोगों ने पढ़ी है that a polygon is a simple closed curve with line segment. But we have given here that we need to draw a rough figure or rough diagram that is closed curve but not a polygon. So we should not make a curve that consists any line segment. So we can draw it like a circle. So a circle is the best example for a closed curve that is not a polygon. Okay, so this is the diagram, and we can write here that a circle is a closed curve that is not a polygon. Okay, so B part we have now an open curve made up entirely of line segment. So हमें एक open curve बनाना है जो कि पूरी तरीके से line segment से बना हुआ हो. Okay, so we can make it like this. This is an open curve. First of all, this is curve because we didn't lifted our pen while creating this, and secondly, this is open curve because starting point and end point are not joined. So this is an open curve. Now next we have line segment. It should be entirely of 9 segments. So we have created this curve in some line segments. Okay. Now C part we have a polygon with 2 sides. So students, as we know that a polygon must consist at least 3 sides with it, so it will create a polygon. Okay, so that's why a polygon with 2 sides is not possible. So a polygon with 2 sides is not possible. Okay, so students, this was your exercise 4.2. Now you have to note all the questions in your notebook and practice them and learn about the open curve, closed curve, and what are polygon, so that you can have a better understanding of this topic. So I will see you next exercise. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.